Arizona's state legislature has passed a controversial bill that will allow the state's business owners to refuse services to people based on religious beliefs. The legislation, officially titled the Exercise of Religion Bill, passed the state's Republican-led Senate and House without a single vote from a Democrat, who are calling the measure state-sanctioned discrimination and an embarrassment. Drawing national attention, the bill is receiving backlash in particular from LGBTQ supporters who say the measure is designed to discriminate against gays and lesbians. The Arizona Republic explains it could protect a corporation that refused to hire anyone who wasn't Christian and could block members of lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender community from access to nearly any business or service. Proponents of the bill, however, argue it simply adds to existing state religious freedom laws and ensures individuals and businesses are not forced to do something that goes against their beliefs. It's also backed by the Center for Arizona Policy, a social conservative group opposing same-sex marriage and abortion, who says the measure is needed to protect religious freedom against increasingly activist federal courts. Last June, the Supreme Court struck down major parts of the Defense of Marriage Act, ruling the federal government cannot refuse to recognize same-sex marriages in states where it's legal. Pete Williams reports since then, major legal battles are now pending in all but 8 of the 33 states that forbid gay couples to marry. But religious protection legislation has been introduced in Ohio, Kansas, Mississippi, Idaho, South Dakota, Tennessee, and Oklahoma. Arizona's plan is the only one that has passed. Republicans in Arizona call the situation a First Amendment issue, but opponents argue it's unconstitutional, violating equal protection under the law, which is guaranteed by the 14th Amendment. Arizona's Governor Jan Brewer has 5 days to either sign, veto, or let the bill die on her desk. She vetoed a similar measure last year and has not made it clear if she would support this plan. For Newsy, I'm John O'Connor.